kasi wala namang masyadong sasakyan. Yun nga lang, sobrang ginaw siya sa gabi. But it's okay kasi hindi naman tayo pababa ng sasakyan. Laging ganito ka-late yung uwian niya. Minsan mas late pa, like 3 o'clock in the morning. Every weekend. So, yeah. Okay. I-stop muna tayo dito para matigib. Go. Medyo frosty sila. Sobrang lamig kasi guys, kaya sobrang labo nung salamin. Usually, sa gripo lang sila umiinom. So, kung gusto niyo ng mga mineral, so pwede kayong kumuha dito sa Sprite. Malapit lang ito sa casino. And pwede kayong kumuha for free. Yan. Idiretso tayo dyan. Then, ito yung pauwi sa bahay. Yan. Diretso tayo dyan later para sumundo. Ayan, okay na. casino. Yan, malapit lang yun dito guys. Yan, after signal lang yan. Yan. Okay, wait natin siya sa harap ng Scenic Hotel. Kasi dun sila lumalabas kapag ganitong late na. Mas safe din kasi dito kasi sa kabila is sobrang madulas. Yan, dito dito lang tayo. Okay. Yep. Yan. Dito yung scenic guys. Katabing-katabi lang siya ng casino. Yan. And then, dyan siya lalabas. Okay. Yan. Nandito tayo sa Scenic Hotel. Okay. Then, doon naman yung casino. Yun. Yung next door. On the left. Okay. Yan. Dito siya mismo lalabas mamaya. Yan. Dyan. Ayan. So, dito lang tayo sa car. Di na tayo bababa kasi sobrang lamig. And then, tong road na to is one way lang siya. So, walang pasalubong. Puro palabas lang dito sa road na to. We'll wait for Jenny. Siguro around 5 to 10 minutes lang tayo mag-aantay dito. Then, lalabas na din yun.
Did you know radiometric dating can't be trusted? It's true. Many people believe radiometric dating is an exact science, but it is based on huge assumptions about the past. And when tested on rocks of known age, it fails. Take the 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption. Brand new volcanic rock was dated at between 350,000 to 2.8 million years old. If the method fails where we know the answer, why trust it where we don't? Dig deeper at creation.com.
Half the year has disappeared already, but your dreams don't have to disappear with it. Enroll for semester 2 at Pathways Bible College and make the rest of the year really count. You'll be on your way towards a level 5 NZQA accredited New Zealand diploma in Christian studies. It's half study, half ministry, and completely transformative. You can study full-time or part-time. Don't wait for next year. Step into God's future for you right now. Discover more at pathways.ac.nz.
Bible Boost with Reverend George Pink.
One day Jesus, his mother, and his disciples
Yan na
attended a wedding in the village of Cana in Galilee.
Yan si Janine. Kasama niya si Queen. Her workmate. Yan. Hi, Queen!
Hi!
Hi! Hi!
With Lailani. The best
Okay.
girl in the world.
Uwi na tayo.